What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Turbo John. We're down here at Dragwire Solutions. We're working on the race car today. Big Block Chevrolet, single 118 turbo. Check it out, guys. Comment, like, and subscribe. All right, guys, so y'all didn't realize it, but Uncle Mike makes house calls. This is, oh look, this is the second house call. You went actually to my house. And so Mike met me up here today down at Austin Shop Dragwire Solutions, and Mike is in the process of using his CAD assisted programming here. This is the high-tech version. We sell this CAD setup. You have to go to Uncle Mike's. Software. Yeah, the software. You have to go to Uncle Mike, hit Uncle Mike up, and he can get you hooked up with your own level of CAD equipment.
Bob Ross style.
Bob Ross style. So Mike is using cardboard. What'd you call it? Cardboard assisted design.
Yeah,
cardboard assisted design, and it actually works really good. But you got to have a vision in your head when you're messing with the CAD stuff, and that's why I was like, he's working. I got that piece over there done because that was easy. It was straight, but this piece, yeah, it's not going to be straight. So he's going to figure out how to get it in there. We got the aluminum, and it's just 40 thousandths thick aluminum. A lot of people are using steel, but that meets the requirement. So he's going to build this. He's going to cut it all out, design it, shape it, take it back to his place, and then break it on his brake. And then we should be able to just stick it in here, bring it up here and stick it in. That's what we're going to do. He's working on that. I'm going to weld some tabs on the back here. We've got these things that we got from Tin Soldiers, Tin Soldier race cars. These things are awesome. So lots of different ones, different styles, different sizes. But basically, he's going to figure out how he's going to do this back here, as far as where the tin's going to go and where I need to tack weld those things in. And then we're also going to get I think we'll weld some tabs. I was thinking about putting the radiator back here, but I don't know if I'm putting the radiator back here or not. Yes, of course, I have a gear oil leak. The drain plug in the bottom, I thought it had a gasket on it, but it does not. So I'm going to have to take that off and drain my gear oil and then redo it. We're getting closer. So just, I guess, yeah. But yeah, we're getting the tin work done today. Well, I shouldn't say we, I should say Mike. Uncle Mike is getting the tin work done today. All right, hang on. I'm gonna put you on time lapse. All right, guys, I don't know how long that time lapse was, but it was a hot minute. I've been back there in the back. Uncle Mike has been up here. And so basically what he's done is he's taken several pieces of cardboard. You know, I think that's where I get messed up, Mike, is I think I got to do it out of one piece of cardboard. But that is not the right answer.
And then there'll be a separate piece that goes right here in this corner, and a separate piece that goes in that corner.
Dude, that right there is, I mean, that's perfect. And there'll be easy access on the valve covers. There'll be easy access down here. Dude, I like it.
That'll be good.
I think that'd be fine. So he's going to take that home. He's got his template now, and so you'll break it out of one piece. You'll take that big sheet of aluminum, and then you'll break that all out and then get that done. And then we got a game plan for back here. I've got to weld some tabs back here for the sheet metal stuff. This is going to be transmission mount back here. Got a big tab there. I'm fixing to weld this tab on right here, and then we'll have AC. Yeah, we need air conditioner. Air conditioner is good. So, boy, okay, we got some ideas. We don't know exactly. There's a couple ways you can do the back here. And so we're contemplating what's going to be the easiest way and what's going to work the best for us. The thing we have to worry about, no prep for us, is we have to add weight sometimes. And so we want to have easy access to this back stuff. We still got to, oh yeah, we still got to weld our parachute mount stuff off too at some point, which we need the bumper cover on for that.
Yeah,
though.
I'll bring that to your house.
Yeah, so we got to have all that stuff on in order to do it. All right, guys. Well, I guess Mike is about done for the day, unless he wants to.
No, I'm gonna kind of figure out a little bit more.
Okay, so he's gonna hang out a little bit longer. Okay, well, we're gonna keep getting to work. Hang on. All right, guys. Well, we got this piece done back here. It is mostly tacked in pretty good. It is hard to tack in this thin metal to the bar. The bar is because it like blows it away. But we got some decent tacks. It's gonna hold. This is the mount for the transmission cooler. So we did decide what we're going to do is this is going to be a piece of carbon fiber that goes from here to here. And then from here, this bevel is going to go up to, see the inner roll bar is here. So it's going to go up to about right here. And then it's going to be, that's going to be one piece. And then he'll have a piece of aluminum in like a 45 degree or something. And then the car, because you can't bend the carbon like that. And then we're going to go down from that point down to this bar down here, and then I guess he'll just have to do little pieces over here and around the 4-link stuff. All right, guys, so my Uncle Mike's gonna run. I appreciate him coming up and hanging out and helping tonight. Appreciate it, sir. I mean, he'll have that done in no time, and then next time he comes up, then he'll bring it up with him. So maybe later this weekend, possibly, or one day next week, but we're getting closer on his side. I appreciate it, Mike. Thank you.
No problem, dude.
All right, guys, so we're making some progress. That's a long process to put this stuff up. We got a game plan on this top. I think what Mike wants to do is cut it like right here. The hood we have goes all the way back, so we don't need this. And then we'll put a Zeus like right here for the hood. And then the front end stuff, he'll probably have to tab it off of this roll bar down here, since we're going to take this away. I mean, but that's just, you know, actually what we could do, thinking about it now, we could cut this back right here and then like follow this here and then tack weld this to the body, and then we've got 2 spots already for the front end, because those are apparently in the right spot, or they were. So we may do that. That may be the easiest thing. The only problem, I mean, I have to clean all this stuff up, of course, just so we don't get cut on it. I did get the transmission cooler mounted. Transmission lines are good. I think Courtney will be so proud of me with all the zippy ties. It is fairly neat. It's not really coiled up anywhere. But back here at the back, and it's not really coiled up there. This is all nice and secure. Got this welded on, so that's going to be good. We did end up, I don't remember, I got to get some paint, but we're going to do a piece of carbon fiber this way, and then a piece of carbon fiber up. It's going to come up here and break and then go down and around. And then, of course, these little pieces over here on the back. And then we'll have sheet metal all in the car today. Let me show you what Austin's got going on, too. So Austin's over here working on some wiring stuff now.
Trying to reverse engineer some stuff.
Are you having fun?
No.
That's not the proper answer.
Not at all.
So they have a car. It's a blower car, and it was wired, and he's having to rewire it because they're changing motors. So he's going to show you all that on his channel at some point. He's been working on the wiring on mine too. So he's going to show you all this and talk more in depth about it. But this is the main harness. So, dude, it is. He's going to do a video, or I'm going to do a video. One of us is going to do a video on the weight difference between the harnesses, and this is, dude. I mean, it's like ounces. It is legit like ounces.
It weighs nothing.
It is amazing how lightweight that is.
That hardly weighs.
I mean,
the connectors will add a little bit of weight, but
it weighs nothing. I mean, I bet it's less than a pound.
Absolutely. Yeah.
I mean, that is.
If it weren't for that connector, it literally wouldn't weigh anything.
Yeah, I mean, that is insane, and that's the whole engine wiring harness.
It's everything. It's not the coils, because your coils are mounted down low. But
right, but
it's everything else. The injectors, it's everything.
That's crazy. That is insane. So the wiring is freaking amazing. And of course, he'll have on this little side over here, he'll have.
Just gotta show you where.
Oh, okay. But then I messed up the.
Yeah. What's gonna go right behind the valve cover?
Oh, I got you. Here, let me take this off. All right, so we got that piece out of the way. Oh, dude.
So it'll ride right up here, and then it breaks off. It'll go to your cam sync, your injectors. This will be your crank sensor down here.
Dude, that is just insane. And you'll run all that up and under the intake, probably, I imagine.
It'll all go under the intake, and it'll come up to your TPS.
You won't even be able to see the wiring when it's done.
Unfortunately, you won't see the wire.
Yeah, I know, right? Unfortunately, all the time and
this work,
effort,
you won't even see it.
it's going to be, and you make it disappear.
Exactly.
That's crazy, man. That is insane. The wiring is looking amazing. That is cool. And then over here on this side, then he'll just have, it's just a little bit, because the Holly's going to be down here somewhere.
Right.
And it'll just be,
They'll just run right up and go into it.
be nothing to it. Dude,
Clean and simple.
it's amazing.
A little more wiring than what was in it before. But
Right. Yeah, a little bit. I can't wait to do the side-by-side comparison on the weight.
Big difference.
I mean, that is just insane. It is crazy. Well, y'all go check him out. Austin's posting channel stuff on his channel, YouTube channel, Dragwire Solutions, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, OnlyFans. You got OnlyFans yet?
I should do an OnlyFans.
He said, okay, OnlyFans. Okay,
Only wiring.
only wiring on OnlyFans. Him and Joey, I'm fixing to leave before they take over that part of the viewing.
cameraman.
I'm not the cameraman. Nope. All right, guys. Well, y'all check it out. Go check them out. Appreciate them helping out, letting us work on the hot rod. Hopefully, next time we come over here, next time we'll have all the sheet metal stuff done up here. I got to measure for the carbon fiber and the aluminum back here. And we're getting further, guys. We're getting further along. My back is feeling better. But, yeah, we're making progress. All right, guys. Appreciate it. Comment, like, and subscribe. Later.